Objects that science has not been able to replicate. The Aztec death whistle, the instrument that produced a sound identical to the agonizing scream of a human being. For a long time, archaeologists believed that the strange object found in ancient Aztec temples was only a toy or ceremonial artifact. Everything changed when researchers decided to blow into the instrument for the first time. The sound produced was so terrifying that many people compared it to the scream of someone dying. Acoustic studies showed that the whistle creates disturbing frequencies for the human brain, capable of causing fear, anxiety, and panic reactions in those who hear it. Some scientists believe the Aztecs used the object during rituals, wars, or human sacrifices to create psychological terror among enemies. The most mysterious part is that, even with modern technology, researchers still struggle to recreate the exact same sound effect produced by the original instrument. To this day, nobody fully understands how such an ancient civilization developed such complex acoustics without modern knowledge of sound physics.